I am Sumalata, GMC High School, RP. If you like my videos, like it, share it and subscribe it. Write these closely in your notes. First one, put A in the bracket, that is get their shoes spoiled. For the second one also, put A in the bracket, that is careless. For the third one, to give confidence to Malasha, that is C. Put C in the bracket. Okay. For the first one A, for the second one A, for the third one C. Okay. For the fourth one, put B in the bracket, that is she made her daughter's dress dirty. Okay. For the fifth one, put A in the bracket, that is quarrel. For the fourth one, B. For the fifth one, A. Okay. For this question, write the sentences in the order. For the first one is 6. It was Sunday and the two children were in their new dresses. It was Sunday and the two little girls were in their new dresses. Next one, 3. They wanted to play in the puddle. Okay. 6. Next, 3. Next one, Malasha splashed the muddy water on Akulka's dress. That is 8th one. 6, 3, 8. Next one, Akulka's mother slapped Malasha. That is second one. 6, 3, 8, 2. Next one, the members of the two families started fighting. That is 5. 6, 3, 8, 2, 5. Next one, Grandma tried to stop the quarrel. That is 7. Okay. 6, 3, 8, 2, 5, 7. Okay. Next one, the members of the Akulka and Malasha made a new reel to let the water flow. That is 4th one. Akulka and Malasha made a new reel to let the water flow. That is 4th one. Okay. Next one, Akulka and Malasha threw pieces of papers in water and played together. That is 1. 6, 3, 8, 2, 5, 7, 4, 1. Okay. I am telling very slowly. Write them neatly. Okay. The following are sentences taken from the lesson Little Hearts. Read them and encircle the word that does not indicate the given context. First one, their mothers dressed them in new clothes. Kind and caring are related to the first one, and so encircle cruel. Round of cruel. For the second one, they began to play in the puddle. Here, playful, naughty are the words related to the second one, and so encircle serious. That is round of serious. For the third one man pushed the other and a fight had begun. Here, quarrelsome and short-tempered are related to the sentence, and so encircle peaceful, that is round of peaceful. Okay. For the fourth one, the old woman tried to stop the quarrel. Here, gentle and peace-loving are related to the sentence, and so encircle threatening. That is, round the word threatening. Okay. Next one, fifth one. The two girls ran along the rill, laughing and jumping in joy. Here, friendly and good-natured are related to the sentence, and so encircle selfish. Round off the word selfish. Okay. For the sixth one, the men looked at the girls and felt ashamed. Here, shameful, guilty are the words related to the sentence, and so encircle innocent. Round of the word innocent. Okay. This is fill in the blanks. For the first one, puddle. There was a puddle across the street. That is second one, puddle. Okay. Second word. Okay. Next one, the foolish dog suddenly jumped into the puddle. Jumped, jumped. Here, third one, jumped into the puddle. Poor thing, he became soiled, soiled. First one. Okay. Became soiled. His eyes were filled with muddy water. muddy. That is the last one. Okay. Filled with muddy water. What should we do then? A little girl, little, little girl, that is last, before the last one. Okay. A little girl fetched a bucket of water to wipe off. wipeoff. Okay. That is fourth one. To wipe off the mud stains of the dog. The dog looked at the girl and jumped to his feet happily. happily. That is fifth one. Okay. For the first one, second word. For the second one, third word. For the third one, first word. For the fourth one, last word. Next one, sixth word. Sixth word, a little girl. Next one, to wipe off. That is fourth one. Last one, for the last one, happily. That is fifth one. Okay. It is writing antonyms. For the first one, gave, took. Gave, took. For the second one, began, stopped. Began, stopped. Third one, big, small. Big, small. For the fourth one, joined, separated. Joined, separated. For the fifth one, pushed, pulled. Pushed, pulled. Okay. Last one, separate. Separate, join. Separate, join. Okay. I already told this. Writing the statements into questions. The children are playing. Are the children playing? Question mark. The children are playing. This is the statement for this. Are the children playing? Question mark. For the second one, students are waiting for their bus. Are students waiting for their bus? Question mark. Students are waiting for their bus. We should write helping verb first and then subject. Are students waiting for their bus? Question mark. Third one, The teacher is walking slowly. Is the teacher walking slowly? Question mark. The teacher is walking slowly. Is the teacher walking slowly? Next one, fourth one. They are drinking water. Are they drinking water? Question mark. They are drinking water. Are they drinking water? Question mark. Usha is cleaning her room. Is Usha cleaning her room? Is Usha cleaning her room? Usha is cleaning her room. Is Usha cleaning her room? Question mark. For the sixth one, the girl is preparing tea. Is the girl preparing tea? Is the girl preparing tea? Question mark. The girl is preparing tea. Is the girl preparing tea? Question mark. Okay. This is degrees of comparison. Tall, taller, tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. These are given. See, read the following sentences and point out the adjectives and name the degrees of comparison of each. Here, faster, faster, fast, faster, fastest. Fast, faster, fastest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Second one, heavy, heavier, heaviest. Fast, F-A-S-T, faster, F-A-S-T-E-R, F-A-S-T-E-S-T, fastest. Okay, for the first one. For the second one, heavy, H-E-A-V-Y, heavier, H-E-A-V-I-E-R, heaviest, H-E-A-V-I-E-S-T, heaviest. Okay. Degrees of comparison. Heavy, heavier, heaviest for the second one. For the third one, lazy, lazier, laziest. L-A-Z-Y, L-A-Z-I-E-R, L-A-Z-I-E-S-T. Okay. For the fourth one, wise, wiser, wisest. W-I-S-E, wise, W-I-S-E-R, wiser, W-I-S-E-S-T, wisest. Fifth one, high, higher, highest. H-I-G-H, high, H-I-G-H-E-R, higher, H-I-G-H-E-S-T, highest. Next one, useful, more useful, most useful. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Okay. Cool, cooler, coolest. C-O-O-L, cool, cooler, C-O-O-L-E-R, cooler, C-O-O-L-E-S-T, coolest. These are 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, superlative. Okay. Fast, faster, fastest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Wise, wiser, wisest. High, higher, highest. Useful, more useful, most useful. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Cool, cooler, coolest. Okay. It is about articles. First one, Ravi Verma was a famous painter. Ravi Verma was a famous painter. Next one, English is an international language. English is an international language. Okay. These are also articles. The sun is a star. Fourth one, The earth moves round the sun. Fifth one, he is an expert in robotics. Sixth one, it is an issue of human rights. Seventh one, I listen to the radio a lot. Eighth one, I met a lawyer yesterday. The lawyer was famous in the city. Ninth one, my brother is learning to play the piano. Tenth one, Raghu is the best batsman in our team. Once again I tell you. Third one, the sun is a star. Fourth one, the earth moves round the sun. Fifth one, he is an expert in robotics. Sixth one, it is an issue of human rights. Seventh one, I listen to the radio a lot. Eighth one, I met a lawyer yesterday. The lawyer was famous in the city. Ninth one, my brother is learning to play the piano. Tenth one, Raghu is the best batsman in our team. I already told about the articles in a video. Okay. Read and write all the exercises neatly in your notes. Okay. Today it is enough.